Hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. Hello. So we are on the way to Mysore, Bandipur. We are planning to see a lot of animals at Bandipur, and we have started from Bangalore. So the time is now 3:20 and we have started already, and we are planning to take the Electronic City Nice Road, and then we would be taking the same pathway like Maddur, Mandya, Srirangapatna, Mysore, and then comes Nanjangud, Kudalpet, and then Bandipur. So we are looking for a lot of natural sceneries and photographies, videos, and a lot of wild animals. So we have reached the Mysore Expressway now. We have crossed the toll, and the time is 4:15, and so the map also says that it would take another 2 hours 58 minutes to reach Bandipur, and we are excited as well. Stay tuned. So it's another 1 hour 38 minutes to reach Bandipur, and we are on the Srirangapatna to Mysore Road and on the Mysore Expressway. So the sun has come out, the sun is smiling at us, and we are enjoying the travel here. So we have reached Mysore, and I am near Mysore Palace. So there is no traffic at all on the road, and it's really beautiful to see Mysore like this. And I am in front of Mysore Palace here. So it's really beautiful to watch Mysore, and that's our car. We thought we will not be allowed inside, and a lot of people were waiting outside. So then we thought we'll go into it. We'll go and take a nice view of Mysore Palace here. So this is Sri Rama Temple, Sri Lakshmi Narayana Swami Temple, Sri Chandramaulishwara Swami Temple, and this is the palace. Palace is closed, and so there are a lot of dogs here, so we are just a bit worried. And check out this palace here. So we are looking into the beautiful view now. We are very hungry, guys. Going to have some breakfast. Let's see what's there. Huge shop we found here. Cups and Coorg items. Lot of souvenirs to take away. Wants to say something about Chow Chow Bhath.
Chow Chow Bhath is a Karnataka delicacy, which is a mixture of Kesari Bhath and Khara Bhath. And probably most of the Kannadigas start their day with Chow Chow Bhath.
Start their day with the Chow Chow
Bhath.
The way to Nanjangud. So this is River Kapila. Check out everybody shaking, guys.
That is the Bolero for you.
That's the Bolero for you. There a roller coaster ride on the road. So now it's a very nice road here, where we have to turn to Bandipur. It's another 15 kilometers from here to Bandipur. So the road is beautiful here, and look at the clouds on the hill over there on the right side. Not sure what could it be. So there is a fog from the cloud, and found out actually, guys, that is Himavat Gopal Swami Betta. So I also have a video on that. So that is a beautiful temple, where it is situated on the hill where Lord Vishnu stays, and also very famous for elephants there, where the elephants would come over to the temple and all that. And whenever you go, whenever we had been there, there would be at least a little drizzling on that Gopal Swami Betta. Entered Bandipur Tiger Reserve Safari area now. So there is this civets statue here. So it's called small Indian civet, Vivericula indica, native South and Southern Asia. It feeds on rats, mice, birds, snakes, fruits, etc. So the safari area is like this. So a lot of people have parked here. There is a tea stall and also there is a ticket counter of online ticket counters. So the information is like this. To book official safari online, we have to go through official website. So it's called Bandipur TR. So this is the photo selfie point to say I am at Bandipur. So I am here at Bandipur. Souvenir shop here nearby where they sell soaps, and then soaps we see, powder, all much. So we have come to Bandipur.
Thank you, sir.
So we have crossed the forest officials now. So it says welcome to Bandipur Tiger Reserve. No photos, no parking, no teasing, no plastic, no littering and all that after getting down from the vehicle. So we will be inside the vehicle and we will not be stopping anywhere. We will just moving on.
Anju.
So it's a dense forest if you see. Into the parking lot. So we are at Bandipur now. So we are checking if we get some coffee, tea. But the online booking for safari has to be done 48 hours before. So I still remember, if you can see from here. So there is this green building, right? Greenhouse. So that is where we stayed when we booked through Bandipur Tiger Reserve. So we stayed somewhere that side. That is where. And in the morning, if you see, there would be a lot of deers would come up. So these are the animals at Bandipur Tiger Reserve found, and the map. And this is the Calotes green forest lizard. And that's the safari jeep just come up. So when we booked through Bandipur, we have seen elephants, but we have never seen the tiger. So can you hear to the peacock's sound? So we can listen to that. And that. So what he is saying is they have closed the mess and the coffee shop and everything 7 years back. So looks like only the staying option for rooms is available now, that you can book it through
Online.
government website online, and food mess will be available only for those who will be staying there. But in the morning, if you see, there will be lot of deers you can spot in front of your room only. There would be like at least around 50 to 60 deers would come up and surround your rooms. It would be a beautiful sight. So that we have stayed at least around 8 to 9 years back, I guess we have come over here, and that was a beautiful sight. Okay, so this is the reception. So jackets, t-shirts, bottles and all are available here, and the caps also. If we can purchase, we can purchase it.
The king of the
There are lot of langurs here, Hanuman langurs. There is this beautiful lake here at Bandipur to Mudumalai.
Let's look at this beautiful lake.
Seeing an elephant now.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. Oh my god. This loud, the elephant ran away because of the truck. Oh, it's coming this way. Oh, it's waiting to cross the road. So happy. Oh, it's going back. So cute. Oh, I think it's very cheap.
So it's
Oh my God,
enjoying
it's a
the
Tusker.
sand. It's a Tusker we are watching now.
I thought we won't see any animals.
So it's
today.
a
Oh my
Tusker.
God,
We have
saw it.
seen the elephant today at Bandipur Tiger Reserve,
Balaji!
and it's a beautiful sight for us.
Balaji!
So we are entering the Mudumalai now, Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. We are watching lot of elephants here. This is at Mudumalai Tiger Reserve.
Anju, etko.
That's okay. I'll be talking. You can also talk. So they have asked us to park here at Mudumalai.
hotel இருக்குல்ல
So we have not had anything for such a long
டீ
time.
காஃபி கிடையாது
Maybe tea, coffee or
அங்க
juice
இருக்குமா?
we would be
சரி.
having
நடந்து
somewhere
போலாம்ல?
here. So in the meanwhile we will
அங்க
just
இங்க நிப்பாட்டலாமா?
park our car here. So this is the Mayar river flowing at Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, and the view is like this, and there is a restaurant also here. And that's a beautiful view of this. So it says caution, trespassing near river bank is prohibited. Area also here where you can rest and just watch the river here, but you are not allowed to get inside the river. So hi everyone. So we have visited Bandipur Tiger Reserve, and we have come to Mudumalai Tiger Reserve now, and we are sitting in front of this beautiful Moyar river, where we are not allowed to get inside the river. And at Bandipur we have seen lot of elephants, herds of elephants, and we have seen deers and peacocks also. And we are also trying to visit an elephant camp near Mudumalai. Hope you are enjoying my vlog. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. So I'm going to ask my sister, she's with me. So this is her first forest experience, forest drive, forest experience. So I'm going to ask her how she's feeling. Anju, so எப்படி இருக்கு உனக்கு first? So how do you feel that this is your first?
Excited. ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருந்தது ஃபஸ்ட்டு அந்த சின்ன எலிஃபண்ட் ஒன்று வந்தது.
English? Can you say that in
One
English?
small elephant has come. It has to supposed to come to cross.
And that was
the
a
road.
Tusker, no?
Yeah, it is a Tusker. Actually, I doesn't know that I was sitting right side. My sister's youngest son only said, my nephew only said that it is there. One Tusker is there in the right side. It started moving. It is supposed to cross the road.
Yeah.
Smaller.
So how is it? Are you thrilled?
Yes, I am so much thrilled. I am supposed to take the videos and all. Actually, I took. Even I am having a YouTube. This one.
It's called Anjana's Kitchen.
Yeah, Anjana's Kitchen. I will also post it in that, in a shorts or else in video. I will try to post.
Okay.
Which one is possible whenever I used to get time. That time I'll this one. And I have seen so many deers.
Deers, yeah.
Deers
And what about the peacocks?
Peacocks.
Your live
I have,
peacock experience. You liked
peacock
it?
and monkeys.
Lot of langurs.
Monkey is my sentimental animal. Wherever I used to go before.
Because you are Anjana, no? Anjana is the mother of Hanuman. Yeah.
Not only that, and whenever I used to go anywhere, somewhere out, I used to. If I see that monkey, I will feel more happy, and I will get that sentimental from it. And,
Okay, nice.
thank you. Subscribe, share, and comment my sister's channel. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. So we are also having a walk here. We are not allowed to go beyond that. So we are just walking here. So there will be crocodiles here. So we are just walking a bit. So we are having some tea here.
And coffee.
So my second one, youngest one, don't want to have coffee or tea.
He wants to take a heavy lunch.
Actually,
He wants to have.
Heavy
Yeah,
lunch.
he doesn't want to have lunch today. He doesn't want to have coffee today. He wants to have heavy lunch. So let's see what he wants to have. So this is the souvenir shop at Mudumalai. So we are getting these magnets.
எவ்வளோங்க?
250.
Carved magnets.
எது வேணும்டி உனக்கு? உனக்கு ஒன்று, அம்மாக்கு ஒன்று, மாமிக்கு ஒன்று எடு.
நிறுத்து. Beautiful road from Mudumalai to Masinangudi. Hi. So we have visited Bandipur and Mudumalai. So the next vlog is about Masinangudi. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.